Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting surrounding grout and fixtures. Lay down cloths and tape to avoid spread. Start with the gentlest approach. Warm, soapy water and a soft microfiber to soften the paint film. Once the surface gives, use a plastic scraper at a low angle. It removes loosened paint without scratching glaze. If paint resists, switch to rubbing alcohol applied with a cloth, letting it sit for a minute to break binding. Make sure to test solvents in a hidden spot first. Once softened paint remains, switch to a razor or single-edge blade held at about 30 degrees. Push gently to lift flakes without gouging tile. After mechanical removal, apply acetone or a commercial paint remover to stubborn residue, letting it dwell briefly to dissolve binders. Make sure to blot, not rub, to avoid spreading. Ventilate the room and protect hands. Continue in small sections so you can monitor tile finish. If grout is affected, use a toothbrush to protect edges while cleaning. Finish by rinsing the entire area with warm water and mild detergent. Wipe dry and buff with a clean microfiber to restore shine. For any remaining haze or adhesive, apply diluted white vinegar or a grout-safe cleaner and rinse thoroughly. Make sure to inspect grout lines and reseal if needed. Troubleshooting tip. If you notice scratches in the glaze, stop any abrasive work. Try a porcelain polish for light marks, and if deep damage exists, consult a professional to avoid worsening the tile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.